Hi, and welcome back to Curious World. Today we're diving headfirst into the thrilling world of asteroids. These space rocks have been captivating our imagination for centuries. In this video we'll explore their types, their encounters with Earth, their moon strikes, their mind-boggling speeds, and the damage they can cause. So, buckle up space junkies, as we blast off into the fascinating world of asteroids. Our journey begins with a look at the diverse types of asteroids out there. The three main categories are C-type asteroids, which are carbonaceous and make up about 75% of all known asteroids. They lie most often at the outer edge of the asteroid belt, 520 million kilometers or 330 million miles from the Sun, where 80% of the asteroids are of this type. S-type asteroids are moderately bright and consist mainly of iron and magnesium silicates. They are dominant in the inner part of the asteroid belt. M-type asteroids are metallic and often found in the outer asteroid belt. They are a spectral class of asteroids that appear to contain higher concentrations of metal phases, e.g. iron-nickel, than other asteroid classes. They are widely thought to be the source of iron meteorites. Asteroids travel at speeds of up to 70,000 kilometers per hour, 43,500 miles per hour, making them potentially catastrophic if they collide with Earth. Let's explore when asteroids have struck our planet and the widespread devastation they have been causing in history. Like 66 million years ago, the infamous Chicxulub impact was likely a 10-kilometer wide asteroid that hit the Earth. When an asteroid collides, it releases an enormous amount of energy, causing explosions and tsunamis. The Chicxulub impact released energy equivalent to billions of atomic bombs. As a result, about 75% of all species on Earth, including most dinosaurs, went extinct. Another famous incident is the Tanguska Event in 1908, possibly caused by a smaller asteroid, that flattened over 2,000 square kilometers of Siberian forest. But Earth isn't the only celestial body under the asteroid threat. Our very own Moon has been a witness to these cosmic collisions. Asteroids hitting the Moon are relatively common events due to the Moon's lack of atmosphere to protect it from space debris. When an asteroid collides with the lunar surface, it can create impact craters of various sizes, depending on the size and velocity of the asteroid. These craters serve as a record of the Moon's history, as each impact event leaves a lasting mark. Astronomers use ground-based telescopes and space-based observatories to detect and track these celestial wanderers. Projects like NASA's Near-Earth Object Observations program constantly monitor asteroids that could potentially threaten our planet. There are thousands of near-Earth asteroids, and we've already discovered over 25,000 of them. Private companies like SpaceX and Planetary Resources are looking to the stars for resource extraction opportunities. These endeavors could potentially revolutionize space exploration and even provide resources for future Mars missions. The OSRIS-REX mission, launched by NASA, successfully collected a sample from the asteroid Bennu and has now reached Earth, carrying invaluable data about the early solar system. Japan's Hayabusu 2 mission brought back samples from the asteroid Ryugu, further enriching our understanding of these enigmatic space rocks. With advancements in technology and international collaborations, we're poised to uncover even more secrets about asteroids and potentially harness their resources for future space endeavors. Who knows, maybe one day, we'll see asteroid mining colonies or spacecraft powered by asteroid water in our lifetime. If you've enjoyed this extended cosmic journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an adventure with Curious World. As always, share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, keep looking up, the cosmos is our playground.